Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to edit HTML and CSS directly in your browser. I highly recommend that you use Google Chrome as your browser to do this. Google Chrome is just what I use, and that's what I recommend because it has a really nice developer toolset. So what you do if you're trying to edit something, you go to your website in Google Chrome and then you right click anywhere on the page and you click on Inspect. And what that's going to do is it's going to open up a pane at the bottom or the side of your computer or your browser. And in that pane, you'll be able to see the elements associated with it. Now, if you look at the screenshot here, you'll be able to see where to click. There's a little arrow sign there and it lets you actually click on it, and then you can hover over elements on the page and you can select different elements. After you select an element, on the right hand side you'll see all the styles associated with it. Now in that section where it says elements.style at the very top, you can actually click in there and start styling away. You can add different background colors, different font sizes, different font types. You can virtually add any CSS code right in your browser to the website without even, coding it and then saving it to look at the website. This is really useful. Now, of course, if you refresh the page, it's going to wipe away all of your changes. You're not actually editing the website in this, you're just playing with that one page that you loaded in that one session. Now, if you want to edit the HTML, you actually go to the left in the elements section. You'll see all the code and the HTML code in there. What you can do is you can find the element that you want to edit, and then you right click that and edit as HTML. Now, it'll open up and expand into a little bit of an editable text area, and you can actually change the HTML right in there. So let's say you want to change a span to a div or an H1 to an H2 to see how it's styled. What you do is you edit it in there and then you just click enter and it will update on the page. Again, if you refresh the page, your changes will be wiped away. Now, when I first learned about this, I thought it was extremely useful, so I hope it's useful for you as well. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and I look forward to answering that. Or if you really just want to be part of our community, in the description below, there is a link to our private Facebook group, The Wannabe Digital Marketer. It's filled with pros and experts in the industry and paid digital, SEO, and web development. So if you have any questions, you can either ask them in there, or if you're just a listener, you can just watch it and you can watch all of the tips and tricks that we spread around in there as well. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our Facebook group.